Oh, hey, how you doing? I guess it's time for the XYO show. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech here. Today we have a ton of stuff to go over. We're going to talk about some of the updates to the Coin app, including Hodl Rewards, referrals, the new updates to Geoclaiming. We're also going to talk about the new XYO Network 3.0 app that everyone has been buzzing about. After that, a lot of people have been asking me, how do we maximize our XYO mining? And we're going to go over my top tips for that. Last but not least, we're going to talk about my predictions in the crypto market. Once again, I'm Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and you're watching the XYO show. So as I mentioned before, it's extremely important to be holding your XYO tokens because this new feature just came out. XYO mentioned it before. Now you get rewarded for hodling. For those of you who don't know, the reason we say hodl is because a long time ago when the Bitcoin market was crashing, someone in a forum posted, "I am hodling." And apparently he was inebriated, and it eventually caught on to be kind of the catchphrase for all of the crypto market when it came to any bear markets. So just hodl. So the way it works is every single day you can get rewards for, depending on the amount of XYO tokens that you are holding, either in your Coin app or a trust wallet. The big one is MetaMask. It's super easy to use. It's a Chrome browser extension. You simply create a wallet or log into your MetaMask wallet. Then you go to my.coinapp.co and you simply connect the wallet by clicking sign. Now, after that, all you have to do on the Coin app every day, once the rewards come in, you go in and you click the tab, and then you just click collect. And there you have it. You have your Hodl Rewards for that day. Also, I don't think I've talked about it yet, but we have Referral Rewards now. As for the iOS app, for some reason, when you click on it, it's not showing you how many people you have referred in the past. But every single day you are getting those rewards in a Geo drop. And it will tell you in the Geo drop that these are your referral rewards. Also, when it comes to Geoclaiming, we've noticed the squares have gotten a lot larger just this past week. Now, one of the ways that people were working with Geoclaims is that they were getting 10, 12, 15 squares, and they were really seeing a great return on their investment from that. Now with the squares being bigger, that's going to be a lot more difficult to accomplish. The XYO Network app 3.0. A lot of buzz has been going on about this. People are super excited about it. And it's pretty exciting too because it's the next step in building the smart contract business model. Now, I've said it before and I'm going to say it again. So this is extremely important. Your current bound witness number
does not matter.
I'm going to say it again. Your current bound witness number does not matter because the smart contracts aren't in place yet. They aren't paying out bounties via smart contract for that data that you're uploading. You're helping test that part of the network, which is great. They need that. It's going to help in the long run. But just keep in mind, I see people posting pictures on the XYO Millionaires Club like it's a trophy or something. And yes, that's exactly what it is. But I just don't want you to get disappointed when that part of the network goes live and you don't get paid out for previous bound witnesses. It just doesn't make sense. The XYO Network did comment on a post. It was a while ago. I can't find the post, but they did comment directly saying it is very unlikely that you will be paid out for those bound witnesses. So just keep that in mind. Here are my top tips to increase your mining on the Coin app. The first one, of course, is to smash the like button. The number one way to increase your mining is to get a Sentinel. If you don't have one, you need to do it because the mining rewards are just so ridiculously better. I do have a video that shows the comparison of the two, and although this test was done a long time ago, as far as the spread from not having a Sentinel to having a Sentinel and not moving to moving, it's actually just a good example for you to see the differences between them. The second way that you're going to increase your mining is going to be the Coin Plus or the Coin Pro membership. Now keep in mind, there is a lot of talk about whether it's worth it or not. Me, I do not have a Coin Pro or Coin Plus membership. I actually canceled mine just recently. If you watched the show, you saw me reluctantly canceled my coin membership. And that's just because I'm not able to be out there moving around and holding my coin app up and open all the time. So it didn't make sense for me to be paying that monthly subscription when I didn't have time to get the returns. Now, if you're out there driving all the time, if you're on the road, getting a lot of miles, then the Coin Plus and Coin Pro membership can be a very valuable asset to you. Number 3 is to hodl. The reason this is because now you get rewards. Also, we'll talk about it a little bit later, but the price of XYO is down. It's way low. So if you sell it now, you're really shortchanging yourself because the value of this token is much, much higher than it's actually priced at right now. The last tip I have for increasing your mining on a daily basis is by utilizing the referral program. And this is something really easy to do because if you have extra Sentinels especially, what you do is you just give your friend a Sentinel and you say, hey, go out and mine. So not only are you getting a percentage of what they mine, that mining size is increased of what they mine because they have a Sentinel. And on top of that, you can utilize the Sentinel sharing feature too. So it's a win-win-win. You're getting a lot more tokens based on that referral program. Let's get to the nitty-gritty part, my prediction on where crypto's going. Now, right now, a lot of people have been talking about a once-in-a-generation buying opportunity for Bitcoin. That's because we are coming into the tip of a downward triangle in a bull market. Now, what they predict is that there is going to be a steep drop-off for Bitcoin, and then it is going to bull run.
Bitcoin is crashing! We have to sell Bitcoin in a bubble!
Hodl. So I talked about it in the CoinMine video already, but I think this is a really great opportunity to be investing in cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin and the Crypto.com MCO, especially because you can get the Visa with that. So what does this mean for XYO then? As far as XYO, when the Bitcoin market is on a bull run, does that mean XYO is going to bull run as well? Absolutely not. It might go up a little bit because people get more interested in crypto and they start investing, but ultimately, XYO is a utility token, which means its value comes from its utility in the world, its use cases, its actual live purpose in the world. And we're just not there yet because the smart contract network isn't live. But I predict that's going to be going live sometime in 2020. And that's going to be a really important step for the XYO network. That's when you're going to start seeing the value increase. That's when you're going to start seeing the price of XYO go up. That's when you're also going to start being able to collect bounties from your Sentinels doing bound witnesses and uploading them to a Bridge X. So I've said it before, and I'm going to say it again. If you don't have a Bridge X, you need to get one because the rewards are going to be the highest when that feature first launches. If you don't want to buy a Bridge X directly from XYO, I'll tag a link down in the description. You can make a Bridge X for only $50. And it's super easy to do, very user-friendly. I have a full tutorial on how to do it and how to set it up. All right, last but not least, if you haven't already checked it out, I just reviewed the CoinMine 1. And this unit is actually awesome. And I actually have been mining this entire time. I left it on for a reason. Can you hear that? Nothing. It's about the sound level of a PlayStation running in the background. And I'm mining Ethereum and Bitcoin right now as we speak. So I'll tag a link down in the description if you want to check out that review. You can also get your own CoinMine 1 at a great discount right now through my link. Also, like I said, Bitcoin is potentially coming to a really hard bull run, which means other cryptocurrencies are going to follow that. And I think one of the best values is the Crypto.com MCO Visa. If you haven't checked out that review, I'll tag a link down in the description for that. Once again, you can get $50 just for signing up for the MCO Ruby Red Visa and staking 50 MCO tokens. And honestly, I think Crypto.com is probably the best value in the crypto market right now. Last but not least, I am giving away a free geo mining kit. So if you haven't checked out the official XYO Show 1000 subscriber appreciation contest, I'll tag a link down in the description for that video. All you have to do is a kind act for somebody. So you go out, you do something nice for somebody, and then you comment what you did on that specific video. And then you're entered in to win the geo mining kit. I'm also giving away an XYO swag pack, which includes a hat, a pop socket for your phone, and a t-shirt. There are instructions on the giveaway video to enter for that as well. So hey, I really appreciate everyone tuning in. Once again, if you haven't already, smash the like button for me. That helps this video go in front of a larger audience. The YouTube algorithm loves that. Also, make sure you share your comments down below, because as a community, that's going to help us grow and learn more about where everyone else is standing in the network. It helps us answer questions. If you have answers to someone's question down below, feel free to post, because it's hard for me to get to every single comment every day. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do that as well and turn on the notifications, because I have a great new review coming up on how you can make a bundle of money in the crypto market as well. So turn on the notifications so you get notified when I post new videos. Thanks again for tuning in. Once again, my name is Chris with Committed 3D Tech. We'll catch you next time on the XYO Show.